உங்களால 100 cards in the same sequence recollect பண்ண முடியுமா? But Vedashreeயோட memory power is beyond imagination. So let's see what are the skills Vedashree possess. Speed processing, sequential learning, observation and differentiation skills.
First card, Veda.
Robot, calendar, winter season, green tea, one cylinder, tomato, dog meat, sun, violin, banana, red color shoes, blouse, rabbit, pumpkin, cabbage,
Super.
grandpa, sunflower, garden,
Very good.
park, silver rose, red color skirt, aeroplane, grapes, mountain, football, 100
Yes.
cat, gold egg, sandwich, plate, star, rocket, elephant, swimming pool, towel, car,
Good.
moon, piano,
Good job.
teacher, night 10 o'clock, home,
Next, house.
father,
Very good.
train, strawberry cake,
Next.
book, pencil,
Good job.
concept, blue color roster, TV, airport, triangle,
Good job.
tulip, mother, handbag, bicycle, university,
Very good.
hand, orange, sweep, yacht, horse, Milky
Good.
Way, ring, sunny day, taxi, swimming, sea,
Very good.
lion, glass, camera, card, coffee, morning, school, grandma, circle, watermelon,
Good.
apple, color pencil,
Good job.
scissor, telephone, sister, mountain, bicycle,
Good. Very good.
home, nail cutter, leg, rain boots, kindergarten, read, old brother, rectangle, sunflower, PC.
Super. Good.
These amazing skills a child can possess when they start much early from 6 months old, and these skills can't be provided in traditional learning. Now, we'll show 10 cards in sequence. முடிஞ்சா அதே ஆர்டர்ல கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க.